Another day of twists and turns in the Karen Reed case. Both sides back in court fighting over what this upcoming trial will look like. Investigative reporter Ted Daniel was also in that courtroom, joining us live from Dedham. Ted.
Hi, Carrie. Judge Canody took up about a dozen issues today. The start of the trial date, what witnesses will be able to say at trial, and who the defense blames for John O'Keefe's murder. Yes, at times it got chippy.
I suggest that we take the personal attacks completely out of this. Hold on. Both sides.
A warning from the bench following this back and forth.
It's important to get some of the facts right. You got to get some of them right.
Before accusing somebody of getting it wrong, the person accusing should be right.
The debate revolves around John O'Keefe's feelings for Karen Reed right before his death.
That's preposterous. The two of them were getting along extraordinarily well.
Reed is accused of running down O'Keefe with her SUV in Canton. Her defense team plans to call 2 crash experts who testified in her first trial. Attorney David Dinetti says a jury should know those engineers were initially part of the now closed federal investigation.
Again, we're just asking that ARCA should be allowed to testify that they were hired by the federal government to prevent speculation about who hired them or why they became involved in the case.
Well, I'm not sure why we're being joined by Ms. Reed's team.
And before Reed even arrived in the courtroom, Aidan Carney, the blogger known as Turtle Boy, was called in connection with her case. Brennan wants Carney's phone records claiming he colluded with Reed to intimidate witnesses. Tim Bradle is Carney's lawyer.
The fact that they communicated cannot be a basis for a criminal investigation.
Judge Canody did not immediately rule on most of the issues, but she did say that she wants to stick with that April 1st trial date, even though both sides wanted to push it back. Jury selection alone is expected to take at least 3 weeks. Reporting live in Dedham, I'm Ted Daniel for your local station, Boston 25 News.